Where are those fools? Where are those witches? Come out here! Find out, three of you! Where? Come here! You, come here. Come here. So all you do, look at me. All you do right now is to disobey me. Okay? All you do is to flout my orders. How many times have I warned you not to go outside and play? How many times? Why? Why'd you go outside? Eh?
We're playing in the compound because we're bored inside.
Because you were bored. Bored, are you mad? Hey, were you also bored? Were you also bored? Oh, I will cure that boredom today. Your father will tell you to stay inside the house and will not here. Come here. Come here. Stay like this. You here. Take this side. Take this position, my friend. Stay here. You, this way. Come here. This house. When I was your age, I was never bored. Once my father tells me to stay one place, I will stay there. Shh. Be happy. Smile. Smile when I plug you. Smile. Smile. You smile, okay? I'm not sure. Let me confirm it. Three of you, file out. File out. File out. Will you be bored again? No! Keep saying it and you're going. File out! Witches. Evil children, that's what all of you are. Nothing useful can ever come out from three of you.
Hey, Mananefa, who able me? There is no small man. Sorry, man. Yo, hey, there is a problem. What is your problem? That's a problem. I want to tell you something.
What is it?
Okay, is a combat. Somebody, okay, I greet him. Okay, never answer me. Relation is a go inside. Similar times of again is a cry. Okay, it's a block when it's a block when it's a block upper one. So again is a cry.
You mean Oga was beating them?
This one is a plugging, some beating, some operating. I put it together.
What is the problem with my bros?
Stop.
My own is that the day he touches me in this house, the way he beats his children, I will just pack my things and leave.
Haba.
I have told him severally to take things easy with them, but he wouldn't listen to me. Every time somebody will just be getting angry unnecessarily. Where is Madam?
I never come back, man.
And I guess the children are still crying, right?
Everybody they cry, man. It's a cry.
Let me see them.
They go past before forget and they cry and they compare. They go and help those children, man. All the time, sir. I go plug, as a plug, some problem. I go trouble person my village.
Good afternoon. Chima, what happened? Oh my God. Chima, what happened? What happened to your mouth?
We were playing when Daddy came back. He started flogging us and he called me a witch. Oh my mom.
My darling, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. You're not a witch. Sorry. Please don't mind your father, okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Chuma, it's okay, please. I'm sorry. Come here. Did he beat you too? Oh, I'm sorry, my darlings. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Chuma, it's okay. It's okay. Don't cry, please. I don't like seeing you like this. Please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Enjoyment. Don't put your mother. Madam, welcome. Fine.
This one you're eating pap this hot afternoon. What's going on?
Madam, when I know we found. The food is a no. I never enjoy you, man. Where are you? Thank you very much.
You're back so soon.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Don't touch this thing, my friend. If you want to talk to me, you tell me. I'm reducing myself. Don't touch my... What is it?
You don't look happy. What's the problem? What's wrong?
Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong. Your question should be, what is not wrong? That's what you'll be asking me. Is it not those vultures you gave birth to in the name of children? Give them simple instruction. Don't go outside. They will still flout my orders, and they went outside.
Desmond, I hope you did not touch them again as usual, since they have become vultures. Honestly, you're becoming insane.
The one who is insane. You are the one who is insane. It's obvious you have no respect anymore for your husband. How will you have respect when you brought in devils into my house? World destroyers. How will you have respect? Let's be the last time. Last time, don't push me to the wall. Do not insult me again. If you get out, let me watch my program.
Chuma, what happened to you?
Mommy, Daddy wants to kill me.
What did he do this time around?
Trisha, I don't like the way your husband is treating these children. As if he's not their father. When I came back from the market today, they were crying. I had to use hot water on them.
Nika, thank you. Your father called you bad luck.
I don't know what I did to my daddy.
Are you drunk? Did you smoke?
I could be asking you that stupid question, Desmond. What's the meaning of this? Look at her body. See, Max, see. Why are you doing this to your own child? What is using you against your own children, Desmond? Why do you have to zero your anger on them? What is wrong with you, Desmond?
I should be the one asking you. What is wrong with all of you? Eh? What is wrong with you and the demons that you brought into this house in the name of children? When I married you, just before I married you, was I not doing well? Eh? Was I not doing well? How many cars did you meet in this compound? When you got married to me, how many cars? How much money did I have in my account? Millions! Our wedding, did you put 1 kobo? Did your family put 1 kobo? Me, I sponsored everything! Ineko! Everything. It was the talk of the town. The moment we got married and you gave birth to this bad luck, I touched her face. I just touched her face. They seized my goods immediately. And you want me to be happy?
That's what I will fight you. If you touch this girl again, I will fight you. I swear to God, I will fight you. You will bring out a beast from my body. I will fight you.
I don't even have your time. You, bad luck, get out. I don't want to be seeing your face. Get out!
Daddy, I've been the one pray so that they can release your goods.
Prayer kill you there. Prayer kill you. Let your prayer should kill you there, idiot. You're praying for 11 years. 11 good years you've been praying. Why haven't they released the goods? Pray for yourself. Get out. Get out.
Desmond, I will leave this house. I will carry my children and I will leave your house. It's obvious you're going insane and you need the help of a psychiatric doctor, Desmond. I will leave your house, don't worry. Oni, did you eat the food I kept on the dining?
Food kill you there. Food kill you there.
Daddy, what about the money I said our teacher told us to bring?
Are you not the one she's talking to?
Do not provoke me this morning. I'm trying so hard to be calm. Do not provoke me this morning. Or when I know, don't.
What's the meaning of this? Should we all run away from this house because of you? Look, they are your children, though, and they are your responsibility. Take responsibility for your children.
Stupid responsibility. Which responsibility? I was doing well. I was doing very well before you devils came into my life and shattered everything. I was doing well. 60 million naira worth of goods seized just like that. Where do I get money from? Tell me, how do I make money? How? Where? From where? Go out there. You have hands. You have legs. Go and walk. Make money and take care of these devils.
I'm going to be supporting this house with the little money I make. You're just ranting because she asked you for money. What kind of a father are you, sir?
What kind of a mother are you? What kind of a mother are you? A mother that gives birth to devils. What type are you? How do you support?
Devils, my children are not devils, please.
Go and walk. Make money. Do any type of business you want to do.
Brother, the term is ending and the teacher said I should come with the money.
The teacher said what?
The money now.
Which money? Money kill you. What? Yes. Money kill you. Kill all of you there. Money kill you there. Are you still standing?
No, I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
Money kill all of you. Adam?
Yes, sir, come in.
I sit down, yes, okay. I'll open the gate for you.
Thank you very much, okay.
What is an office? Class? Nancy.
An office is an organization where people work to get money.
Business and accounting. Okay. Any other person?
An office is a place where accounting transactions and business transactions are carried out.
Chomekezie, why are you not looking at the... You're crying. Come. Henry, thank you.
It's alright. Whatever it takes, don't let it distract you from learning. Okay? After school, we'll talk about it. Do you understand? Don't cry again. Okay? I'll go back.
Alright, class. Can someone make another attempt? You.
An office is an organization where business activities are carried out.
It's alright. I'll personally come to your house and talk to your parents, okay? You're a child that needs attention to study well. Oh?
So, when you go home, give it to your father.
I'll give it to my mother, but to my father I can't. I can't look at his face.
Are you sure he is your father?
My mother said he is.
It's okay. It's fine. Hmm? Don't worry, when you go home, give it to your mother. She will read and understand. Okay?
All right, take care.
3 witches, come here. Run. I said, run. Run! Come on, stand here. Come on. Stand here, stand. So if Nneka had not come to your school, you will not come back home. Eh? School will close, you stay in that school, waiting for a car. Better still a plane to fly you back home. Eh? Come here, my friend, I'm talking to you. Bad luck.
Brother, that is the way it's supposed to be. They are still children. You don't expect them to come back home themselves?
Shut up. Shut up! Count yourself lucky that you are my cousin. If not, the slap I would have given to you now will remove your teeth. Will you shut up there? When I was her age, this little one, in fact, when I was even younger than this one, I was trekking 30 kilometers from house to school, school back to house. And not just that, I'll take all my friends like this, these big, very little ones, and lead them to school and back home. Are you crazy? These children are bad luck. That's what they are. From the time they were born, the minute they were born, especially this one, everything just collapsed for me. My whole business went down the drain. Everything collapsed. They always say that children bring good luck. My own is opposite. My own children brought me bad luck. Bad luck, that's what they are. World destroyers. In fact, okay, you are still my children. It doesn't mean that I will not wake up one morning and throw 3 of you out to the street there. Go and stay there.
This is not fair. For crying out loud, these are your children, your own flesh and blood. Why call them bad luck and wealth destroyer, brother? It's not fair. Her name is Chioma. God's favor. Good luck. Everything good, that is what her name implies. She did not create herself. That it is bad today doesn't mean it will be bad tomorrow. Your second daughter's name is Uchenna. God's time. The will of God. Until it is the will of God, nothing will happen, brother. So please stop venting your anger on them.
Shut up there. It's not God's time. It cannot be God's time for me to be in this situation. It's not God's time. The bad luck from this war. And stop nodding your head. Face that side. Face the gate. Chiojo, that's her name. Chiojo. I wonder why I've not changed your name from Chioma to Chiojo since. That's your name now. Answer it. What's your name? Say Chiojo. Chiojo!
Brother, don't touch them.
File it. File it.
Wait, run inside.
File it.
This is not fair. It's not.
Where now? Wonder why my home will be different. Tell me to how? Eh? Okay, imuwa itie. Imukwa ozo itikwakwa. Mukwa sikwa tikwa ogini.
Baby, what's wrong? You're moody. And you're not eating your food. Why?
It's Daddy again.
Your daddy flogged her?
No, but he was shouting on us when we came back from school.
Baby, you'll be fine, don't worry. Soonest your father's senses will come back to him. Okay? Okay, now eat your food. Eat your food, everything will be fine. What's this? This is a note from Chioma's teacher. Desmond, you have completely ruined my children's happiness. They don't concentrate in school anymore. All because they have a tiger as a father. You scold them all the time. You shout on them from morning to night. They don't even enjoy their parenthood anymore.
How will they enjoy their parenthood? How will they enjoy their parenthood, those devils? Do devils have parenthood? What are you telling me? And you're saying they are not concentrating. How will they concentrate? Have you asked yourself this question? Do I look like I'm concentrating? Me in this condition. Do I look like I'm concentrating when you gave me devils? Wicked people as children. It is written clearly in the Bible. There shall never be peace for the wicked. That's why they are not concentrating. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Do not insult me. You hear me? Especially not because of those devils that you gave to me. Let me enjoy my drink on a very calm afternoon. Please.
Desmond, I will not tolerate you calling my children names. I will not. Go to the village and go and sort out your problem. Or rather, go to the church for deliverance.
It's you that has problem from the village.
I don't understand how you have some belief that our children are responsible for your ill luck.
Yeah.
Desmond, leave my children alone. I'm begging you. Leave them alone.
What you have that? Devils, that's what you have. They are not you to get out.
You are stupid.
You are very stupid.
Idiot.
You big idiot, that's what you are. Water. Big to take 5. Because I'm even trying to be calm about it. If this same thing happens to other men outside, by now you'll be out of this house. You give birth to a child, first child, things will get bad for you. Give birth to another one, things will become worse. Give birth to the third one, it becomes worse again, and you're worker.
Chioma, let's go outside and play. The heat is too much here.
We'll not go outside and play. You want Daddy to flog us again?
No, Daddy is not coming back anytime soon. Let's go outside and play. Are you not feeling the hotness?
Where's Auntie Neka?
Auntie Neka went somewhere with Irene.
Go and bring your assignment. Let me do it for you. When Mommy comes back, we'll go outside and play. I don't want Daddy's trouble in this house again.
Adamu. How are you? I know I've not paid you for last month. That's because I don't have the money. So if you decide to leave, it's understandable. You can go.
Okay. I like my daddy don't pay me for late someone to work. Come here and Dikeh and say, I refer for this month.
My wife paid you.
Just get one.
Neka said she will pay you for this month.
Yo,
So all you do now is go around telling anybody that cares to listen that I'm owing you money. Huh?
Okay. I never traded to one of people. Nesamanyere I come. I dey angry. I tell him then say make I give him a smaller foot. Professor Zanyere. But then I say Oga never fail. I say Oga never fail. But then I say I go fail. That's all problem. I not check for that.
You're Nyarinya. You're Nyarinya. So anytime I'm not around, you bring girls into this compound and sleep with them.
Okay, well, I am from Gombe. I get 2 in Nyarinya for Gombe. Kuma, I get it too. Well, if it is a one at home, I wait for from Castina. So wait for that.
You have 4 wives.
No.
Only you. Why won't your money finish? Okay, go back to you.
Okay? The LS, 1 minute away. This one is a final. If I do this one for me, well, I go happy. You see, that is my fikir for Esoko. Okay. I look like my children from Zagombe. Ankele for some fikir. That's a smaller fikir. That one, that is smaller, well, is a call the rent. But smaller. Can you go?
Adamu.
Okay, money.
Go back to your duty post.
Thank you, sir.
It's not your business.
Thank you, sir.
Who's there? Or somebody give me water to drink. Who's in the house? Give me water to drink. Somebody. Oh, well, this. Who's in the house? Padlock. Jojo. Wait, come. Didn't you hear me calling you? Eh? Answer me, my friend. Didn't you hear me calling you? So why didn't you answer? I was calling you from the sitting room. Why didn't you answer me? Bad luck. Bad luck. Why? Didn't you? Obanje, didn't you hear me calling you? So why didn't you answer me? Kneel down, both of you. I said go on, please. What? Get down! Get down! Hands up. Hands up. Come this way. Hands up, please. Hands up. Are you smiling? Obanja, are you smiling? Are you smiling? Smiling. Stand. Two hands up. Two hands up. Two hands up.
Let they come. Welcome, my dear.
Has it been long you came back?
Never check. No. Come on, and they shut up for inside. Come on, and then neck as a small of a kid. I don't promote for the market. I don't know what I did happen for inside. What are you?
Open your eyes, mommy is back. It's okay, don't say anything, okay? I got something for you girls. regard and respect for me in this house. Desmond, if you don't desist from tormenting my children, I'll be forced to do something drastic to you.
You're ashamed of yourself. Do something drastic. Do what? What can be more drastic than what you've done to me already? Huh? You drained me completely. How was I before you got married to me? How was I? How did you meet me when we got married? A millionaire. You met me with a fat bank account, and what happened? You unleashed your bad luck children on me. And things just went sour. Everything. See, for your information, just be happy. Be happy that they are still alive. Because I can wake up at any point in time and cut off their heads and nobody will blame me.
I met you a millionaire. I met you with a fat bank account. Desmond, have you asked yourself about your mates lying in the mortuary? Or your mates in the hospital bed wishing God can give them another opportunity to live again? You are alive and healthy, waiting for another God's blessings. Yet you are not appreciative, Desmond. You are tormenting innocent children's lives. Desmond! You are becoming a monster.
Oh, now I know your plan. Now I know your plan. You just said it. To kill me. That's it. Why am I not even recording this conversation? Desmond, be smart before this woman will kill you. It's obvious. You just said it. You want to kill me. It will not work for you.
Brother, what is it again? Can't someone have peace in this house? If you're not tired, I am tired.
Why will you not be tired? How won't you be tired? You are in another man's house. You should be tired. If you don't want to be tired, go and build your own house. As long as you're in my house or someone else's house, you will always be tired. And if you are tired, you get out. Get out of my house. In fact, both of you should leave my house. Get out! You are irritating me. Get out.
And if we don't leave, what will happen? No, what are you going to do if we don't leave your house, Desmond?
Eh? You should have stayed now. What will happen? Hey, what will happen? Stay!
Your brother is running mad. He wasn't behaving like this before.
I mean, something is wrong. His mannerism these days is getting out of hand. Especially to the kids.
What did Chioma do to this man? Fine, his goods were seized same day I gave birth to her. Is that enough reason to hate on her? She's not the cause of his predicament. Why put all the hatred on her? She's too innocent to go through all this.
Trisha, we have kept quiet enough. I know it is not good to discuss one's marital issue with third party, but in this case, it has gotten out of hands. I advise you let Desmond's elder brother know of his madness, including your mother.
You're right. They need to know about this. My children, most especially Chioma, cries every day for nothing. For nothing.
It's okay. It's all right. Stop crying, please.
Lizzie.
Teacher Lizzie. Good morning, my angel. How are you? How are you, my girl?
Teacher Lizzie, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Trisha.
Welcome.
You can take them to school. I'm actually here to see the father.
Okay. Let's go.
I'll see you.
I'll see you.
So, you girls, take care of you.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye.
Welcome.
Thank you. You look good.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
That's your father.
Oh, good morning, sir. Excuse me, sir, please. Can I have 5 minutes of your time?
You can't have 5 minutes of my time. I'm a very busy man. I have an appointment. You can't even have 30 seconds of my time.
Desmond, that's rude. Now I believe you need the help of a psychiatric doctor. Someone walks into your compound, the next thing you are rude to the person. Who does that?
The person who needs the help of a psychiatric doctor. You are the person who needs the help of a mental doctor. Don't push me to the wall, though. Just leave me. See how calm I am going for my appointment. Don't disturb me before you spoil this one for me.
With all due respect, sir, please, I am here to talk about your daughter. What do you understand by children's happiness?
Children's happiness kill you there. Children's happiness kill you there. What do I understand? Do you have a child? Do you have a child? People shouldn't provoke me, please. What? Adamu?
Yes, Oga man.
Let them get my friend.
Thank you very much, Oga.
You know, men are like kids. This was the same thing a guy I dated years ago did to me. He would call me all sorts of names. He said every time I come to his house, his plans and business will always fail. He said I was a bad luck. His friends would see me on the road and be pointing at me. But one day I summoned the courage and left him in his misery. And that was when he realized that it was his own bad luck. It was his own forces that were against him. He came to apologize later, but glory be to God, I was already long gone and happy in Christ Jesus. So, Mrs. Trisha, do not worry. Everything will eventually fall into place.
You know, I've told Desmond to go and check his roads. Or go to prayer houses for solution, but he won't. He said Chioma brought him bad luck. That it was the day I gave birth to Chioma. That it was that same day his goods were seized.
This is terrible. And most men believe in this luck of a thing. But how can a little girl, a little infant, be a bad luck to her own father? Yeah. Now I can imagine what Chioma is going through.
She has gone through a lot. It has even affected her younger ones too. Lizzie, please, I want you to be a second mother for my daughter. Help me counsel her from time to time. Right now, I do little business because Desmond has refused to pay Chioma's school fees. He doesn't even give us money anymore for upkeep. He has become a monster overnight. You know how children react when they see monsters.
Ujuju Kalaba.
Exactly. But I trust my God. I believe with time, things will be fine.
Amen. Yes. It will. God will perfect everything in His own time.
Amen.
It's well. I will pay more attention to her now. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Lizzie, thank you for finding time to come and check on Chioma.
She don't have to. She's my child. She's my little angel.
God bless you for me.
She don't have to, Mrs. Trisha. Just stay strong. It shall be well. It's okay. Don't do that. You have to stay strong. Okay? For Chioma and the little girls. I have to be on my way now.
Let me see you all.
Sure.
I have to rush to school. I know.
Why didn't you tell me these things all this while? Is he demented? I've lived with my wife close to 15 years without a child. And the ones God gave to him, he's calling bad luck. Are you sure you are telling me about my kid brother Desmond?
You can call your younger sister Nneka. She will attest to it. Desmond beats these children. He slaps them, bullies them at the slightest provocation. Most especially when I'm not around. He calls them all sorts of disgusting names.
What? This is not good. This is not fair at all. How can a man be a tiger to his own blood? That means none of you talk whenever he's around.
Talk? They don't cough. The sight of Desmond is like a huge nightmare to them. In fact, my children have never enjoyed parenthood since his business collapsed. My children are suffering in the hands of Desmond. I want to take them away from his house and leave him.
Trisha, please calm down, okay? Please. His brother will have a word with him, huh? Let's see if something is behind it. Please.
Well, I am not a man with too many words. I'll talk to him. Just relax your mind.
Don't put fear everywhere. Somebody on, stop picking it on. Somebody on, picking it on. Let somebody else. Okay, I go repent for it one. But I pray for second out. Ready? Hey, ready. So, Joe, ayo. So, my color keeper. Anytime I see you, girl will let. Hey. Okay, get up competition. Don't be okay, they come on. If we catch that man and they do so cream. We like and go break us on my tire. And I play national team for Bombay United. I got so confused. Let me go to my beautiful smile. I don't enter his head one.
Sisters, turn into deaf and dumb whenever you're in this house. You have practically turned into nightmare to them. Brother, you have...
Whatever I have or have not in my house is my business. It has nothing to do with you. Just shut up and get out. Hear me? Don't say what you do not know.
I will say whatever I want to say to your face. It was my father that saw you through school. My father gave you the money you used in starting a business. My father prayed for you. Even though I was a kid, I knew everything about it. Brother, you are my blood. My brother. Chioma bụ one name. Irene and Uche are my blood. They are not bad luck. They are not wealth destroyer like you usually call them. Whatever that happens is for a reason. Brother, whenever you shout at them, it hurts them. And me too. Please, I am begging you. My brother, I am begging you, please. Can you stop this already? Please.
If you are done talking, get out.